Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we're reviewing one of our first videos. It was our projector screen video. It's still 165 inches, it hasn't changed one bit, and we're just going to show you like what quality is in. We've had a couple questions coming in and out about the quality of it and how long it's been endured, and it's been what, 4 years now? I was 12 and I'm going to turn 16 this year. So we're just going to show you how it's doing. Okay, so the projector screen itself, it's still running really well. It still looks like 4K, everything's perfect. We haven't really touched it or gone near it, so it hasn't had any scratches or indents on it or anything. The Velcro is still really tight. We haven't really touched that either. And the bench, we built benches from like 2 weeks after that, and then we have these wood pieces that are still hanging up. It's still hanging fine. The video is still great, and we're pretty happy with that. The projector, it's still running in 4K. It's a really good projector, and we would definitely recommend it.
It's not 4K. It's 1080p.
Since when is it 1080p? Okay.
It's always been 1080p.
Anyways, it's 1080p. We would still recommend it. It's a great projector for the price. And yeah. Where else? There's, oh yeah, we also did the projector mount. The projector mount's like we did that in another video. Still showcased though. Anyways, okay. We also have a home theater receiver. This is also really good. We have this mount that we also built by ourselves. We would also recommend that. The link's going to be in the description as well. It's been running super smoothly. And yeah, that's pretty much for the receiver. Then we have the speakers. That's one of our subwoofers. And we have 7 speakers in total. 1, 2, 3. The middle one, it's connected from up here, and those all run back to our audio over there. And then we have another 4 that are hanging right here, like 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have this little wood on top that is hanging from, and the little wood's a 2x4, and that 2x4 has cables going up that line right there, and it goes all the way back to our audio. Same with this one. It's going from there all the way down to here. You can see the little white wire running down, and then same with this one as well. This just goes down. And this is our seating. We're going to get nice sofas when that happens, and oh yeah, let's turn on the volume now.